Good morning, students. 3.2, unit number 3.2. In this lesson, today we are going to learn about the third part of this chapter, Seven Sisters. Here given the next sister of this in this seven sister is Mizoram. Fifth sister of this in the seven sister is a Mizoram. First I will read and then I will give explanation about this. Hello, I am Mizoram. Mizoram impiles land of the hills people, refers to as a Kushish. I invite to see my land, lush hills, sheer cheese, Sirens Lake and the waterfalls. Rolling hills stretch across hundreds of miles, and the place and the valley are covered with lush forest and thick bamboo groves. Green paddy field, vineyard teeming with diverse wildlife. The great is that not of you come to visit me while traveling in Mizoram is a little difficulties, but it has own rewards. The natural beauty here, the exercise, and must be seen to the beloved. Here, Sirens means to meaning of the Sirens clam, and the meaning of the teemings. The here this is the use here phrase teeming with means to pull up. That means hello. The name of this sister is Mizoram. Mizoram implies land of the hills peoples, refers to as Kushish. I was invited to see my land, lush hills. That means green hills, sheer cliffs, and sheer cliffs means very steep cliffs, and Sirens Lake. That means there were the clam lakes and the waterfalls. Because of this reason, this is also implies the land of the hill peoples, because there were the lush hills and green hills and sheer cliffs. That means very steep cliffs, and serene lakes. That means there were the clam lakes and waterfalls. This is also known as the land of the hill people. The rolling hills stretch across hundreds of miles. That means there were the rolling hills stretches of the hundreds of miles, and the plains and valley covered with the lush forest and the thick bamboo groves. Green paddy field, vineyard teeming with the diverse of wildlife. Teeming means to hear full up. That means there were the rolling hill stretches across the hundred of mile, and the plains and valleys covered with the green forest or green trees and the thick bamboos grows. Thick bamboos grows means group of trees, and green paddy field. That means and vineyard teeming means here the full up with the diverse wildlife. There the wildlife is also more. My regret is that not many of come visit me while traveling in Mizoram is a little difficulties. Because of this, there were the no travelers coming or visit their place, but while traveling in Mizoram is a little difficulties. There were the some difficulties in the traveling, but it has to own renodes. The natural beauty here, the exercise, and the must be seen the believed. That means there were the beautiful or the natural beauty is very awesome, or the very that means there were the beauty of this land is a very delicate or the very beautiful. My capital is Ojal, and from his scenic location you can get the captivating view of lush emeralds, Twelve Rivers Valley in the west and the Turals Rivers Valley in the east. The museum in the heart of the city, Jakrath, portrays the culture of Mizoram with the splendid collection of costumes, artifacts, and the historical releases. That means here the portrait means to show. Then artifacts means to object made by person, and historical release means to hear object from the past. That means the capital of the Mizoram is Ozale, and from its scenic location, that means this is the very beautiful location. You can get captivating. That means here the captivating means to very attracting place, and view lush emerald Twelves Rivers Valley in the west and the Turals Rivers Valley in the east. That means there were the east and west, there were the river and the museum, the heart of the city. Which is the heart of the city? The museum of the heart of the city. Drackwords and portraits. Portraits means here meaning of portrait to show the culture of Mizoram. The Drackwords is the show the culture of the Mizoram with the splendid collection of the costumes. That means there where the Mizoram shows the splendid collection of the costumes, show the culture of the Mizoram, as like the artifact. That means artifact means object made by the person. That means the Mizoram with the splendid collection of costume, then man-made things, or history, and the historical release means to object from the past. This is the portrait the culture of Mizoram, and this the show culture of the Mizoram by splendid collection of costume, artifacts, and the historical release. Then the Falak Lakes is the biggest in the Mizoram and covered 30 hectares areas. That means there were the biggest lake in the Mizoram. The name of this lake is the Falak, and this covered with 30-acre areas. Do you know that it is believed that lake was created as a result of the earthquake or floods? Champhai with the fertile vineyards is known as the fruit of the bowl of the Mizoram. That means you believed that the lake was created by the resulting of earthquake or the flood. And Champhai with a fertile vineyard also known as the fruit of bowls, and this is also known as the fruit of bowls of Mizoram. I am also host to number species of bird, wildlife, and flora. You can visit the 2 national park and 6 wildlife sanctuary here. There were the 2 national parks in the Mizoram and 6 wildlife sanctuaries in the Mizoram. Mizo is the official language, the most widely used language. There were the used language in the Mizoram. Mizo language is the official language and most widely used language. And next sister is the Nagaland. Hello, I am Nagaland, one of the smallest state of India, called as Switzerland of East. Here we have land of folklores passed down throughout the generation, with the music an integral part of our life. The exquisitely picturesque landscape and vibrantly colorful sunrise and the sunset, lush and verdant flora make my land unimaginably beautiful. That means here the meaning of the integers means the smallest state. Hello, what is the name of this state? The Nagaland, and one of the smallest state of India. That means Nagaland is the smallest state of India, and this is also known as the Switzerland of the East, and this is known as the Switzerland of the East. The folklores passed down through generation and with the music of integral means to essential. That means these folk arts passing through one generation to another generation, and this is the integral part of our life. That means it is the essential part of our life. Executively, here the picturesque landscape and vibrantly colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora makes my unimaginably beautiful. There were here the meaning of the vibrantly means full of the life or energy, and here the picturesque means to beautiful or pretty. That means there were the executively or beautiful landscape, the vibrantly colorful sunrise. That means there were full of the energy or colorful sunrise and sunset, lush of verdant flora. Verdant means to fresh or green. Flora means the animal lives make by the plant lives make by the land unimaginably beautiful. There were the nature of this state is very beautiful. The state capital is Kohima. The capital of this Nagaland is Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. That means there were the mountains are there were the mountain are present. Mount Soromati is the highest peak with the highest about the 3,840 meters and range from the natural barriers between the Nagaland and Brahma. That means there were the capital of this Nagaland is Kohima and state covered with the mountain, and Mount Soramati is the biggest peak. Which is the biggest peak? Mount Soramati is the biggest peak, and what is the height of this peak is 3,840 meters. There are over 16 trees and sub-trees that inhabit my exotic hill state, each with their own unique, colorful and intricately designed costume, jewelry and beads adorn them. Today, many of my younger people have ventured into fashion design, creating fabric and blend our traditional motifs with modern appeal. So much I have become paradise for those who are into fashion designing. People refer to me as the affluent fashion station of East. My land is an ideal place for the trekkings and rocks climbing, jungle campings, and offer limitless explorations possibility in the lush and verdant subtropical rainforest. Here we have an abundance of the medicinal herbs too. That means there were the 16 trees. आपण म्हणतो की नाही ट्रीज मीन्स जाती आणि जमाती. There were sub-trees and inhabit means to particular place, live in the particular, inhabit my exotic hills. There were the 16 trees and sub-trees which is the live in the particular place of the hill state, each of the unique, colorful, intricately designed. Intricately means delicately or with lot of details work and designed costume, jewelries, beads and adorn them. Today's many of my younger people have ventured into fashion designing. There were the people doing work in the fashion designing, creating fabric and blend our traditional motifs means design with the modern appeal. So we are going to fashion designing. People refers to me as affluence means to rich or wealthy. Fashion station of the East. This is the wealth fashion station in the East. My land is the ideal place for the trekking. That means the Nagaland is the ideal place for trekking, rock climbing, then jungle campings, and offers limitless exploration of possibility. Exploration is expansion, sparse. And in the lush of verdant means to green and subtropical rainforest. Here we have an abundant of medical herbs. That means there were the many or sufficient medical herb too. I am known as the Phalicons capital of the world. That means this is also known as the Phalicon capital of the world. The great Indian hornbills is one of the most famous bird for here. That means there were the famous bird is hornbills. Nagas by nature are the lovers of funs and the frolics here. Life is a one long festival. Dance and songs are the part of the perils of our festivals. Most of our dance is performed with the robust rhythms, and you have colorful life of appreciate and ethnic custom and traditional with their unique song, dance, festivals. You must come and Naga Heritage Village, which showcases our cultural heritage. Do come and participate in our great hornbills festivals. That means the Phalicons. This is also known as the Phalicon capital of the world. The Phalicons means the bird of prey with a long pointed wings. Therefore, this is known as the Phalicons means to Phalicons means this is also known as a Phalicon capital. That means the bird of prey with a long pointed wings, and this is also known as the capital of Phalicons. Nagas by nature are lovers of fun and the frolic here. That means fun and frolic means enjoyment. Their nature is lover is also doing here enjoyment, and the dance and the song are the part of parents of all our festival. That means the dance is the part of her festivals, and most of dances performed with the robust rhythm. Robust means to lively rhythms. And if you colorful life of appreciate ethnic costume traditional with their unique song, dance and festivals, you come Naga Heritage Village. That means you come there and show the nature of the Nagaland or Nagas. Next sister is the Tripura. Tripura is the last sister in this seven sister. Tripura is the hello, I am Tripura, the third smallest state in the country, bordered by Bangladesh to the north and southwest. That means the Tripura is the third smallest state in the India, and they stay between the border of the Bangladesh and the north, south and west. Then Tripura meaning three cities. Tripura also means near water. Some scholars also believe that the land was ruled in ancient time by king named Tripur, from the whom my name emerged. That means Tripura means three cities. And Tripura also means near the water, and scholars also believed that the land rules ancient time. The king name was the Tripur, and because of this king, the this state is given name the Tripuras. My land has three distinct geographical zones. That means there were the three districts which is the geographically based or geographically zone. The hill range which run from the north to south, that means hilly range, and which is run from the north to south. And second, the undulating plateaus land, and the third is the low lying alluvial plains. That means here the three part of the Tripuras also so important, which is the hill range which run from the north to south. Hill range कुठे आहेत, साऊथ टू नॉर्थला काय झालेले आहेत, रन झालेले आहेत. द undulating plateaus, this is the next so important factor or the important geographical zone. Undulating means to moving up down. Undulating in the plateaus, and the low lying alluvial plains, and there were the alluvial plains. This is the three important factor in this region. Chief among the many rivers nourished by lands sustain the activity my people. Chief among them the Gomti, the Muhuri and the Feni, rice, cotton and just teas, the tobacco and all seeds are grown here. That means Gomti, Muhuris and the Feni is the main river. There were the rice, cotton, just tea, tobaccos, that means tobaccos, the tobaccos and all seeds are grown here. That means the Kobraks speaking Tripuri people and major group among the many tribes and the subtribes. Bengali and Manipuri peoples have coexisted in peacefully harmonies with the peoples and Tripura for the generation. That means they were the Kokborok speaking the Tripuris, and there were some people choose the Bengali and Manipuri language. Then I am rather difficulties for you access because only major road of national highway connect my land with the rest of the country. That means here the difficulties for you access because the major road and national highways connect my land with the rest of the countries, and Agartala is my capital city. Agartala is the capital of these Tripuras, and people come visit visit me for ecotourism and archaeological tourism. Ecotourism is from the tourism that involve visiting fragile, beautiful and relatively undistributed natural areas, and then archaeological means to the from tourism which aim to promote public interest in the archaeology or the conservation of historical site. My lush tea gardens and wildlife sanctuary is my specialty. Specialty of eco park are the great attraction. There were the tea gardens and also wild sanctuary are the famous special features of this state, and famous rocks carvings of Deotamuras and the Nirmahalas is a gorgeous red and white water place, empty and shimmering on its own island in the lake of the Rudrasagars. That means here the shimmerings means to shimmerings with a softer light, sorry, shining with a softer light, and there were the community and tribes participate state. There were the Nirmahals, George's red white water place, empty shimmerings means shine with the island with the lake of Rudrasagar. Peoples of all of communities and tribes participation state festival like Goriya, Durga Puja, Buddha Purnima, Kharchi, Pous Shankrati, and Biju or the Christmas. That means there were people involved in the different festivals. Goriya, Durga Puja, Buddha Purnima, Kharchi, and Posh Sankrati, Biju, and the Christmas. Biju or also name is the Christmas. Come the visit me and will be fascinated by my rich culture, heritage, beautiful palaces, wildlife sanctuaries, historical temples, and the museum. My dance will be enthralled you, and peoples will welcome you with wrath and courtesy. That means you come there and visit me. Thank you.